Ever felt overwhelmed by endless property listings? With BoldTrail's Omni search bar, those days are over. Discover how this tool transforms your search experience, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. The Omni search bar is your gateway to quick MLS searches. Simply type an MLS ID or property address and watch as results appear instantly. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. The Listings tab is your home base for all MLS listings. Here, you can effortlessly return to the MLS feed to view all available properties, ensuring you never miss a potential opportunity. Want to search for multiple listings at once? Use listing IDs separated by commas for a swift search. This advanced technique maximizes efficiency, keeping you ahead in the competitive real estate market. Stay ahead in the real estate game with quick access to multiple properties. Master these techniques to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Remember, the Omni search bar is your best friend for quick searches. By mastering these tools, you'll save time and boost your productivity, transforming your real estate business. Start using BoldTrail today to revolutionize your property searches. Embrace these tools and watch your efficiency soar. Let's make real estate simpler together. Please scroll down to access the step-by-step guide below. Go sell a house.